अतिमर्त चरित्राय स्वासितानां च पालिने जीव दुखे सदार्धाय प्रेम भक्ति प्रदायिने वंशा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य गौर. Today I am very happy when I am seeing here, oh, all our Gaur Parivar, we are all here. We want to see like this everywhere. No wall between us. He may be Nityananda Parivar, Gaur Gadadhar Parivar, Gadadhar Parivar, Jannavi Parivar, Narottam Parivar, Srinivas Acharya Parivar. No harm. We are all belongs to Gaur Parivar. In Gaur Parivar there are so many. In this Parivar, I think now Saraswati Parivar is in this very prominent everywhere. One branches from Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj everywhere. Everywhere. So, we are very fortunate to come in this Parivar anywhere. If you are under the guidance, following the instruction of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, especially Rupa Goswami, any wall cannot divide us. Never. If there were any wall, we will try to demolish it very soon. Our Acharya never accepted this wall anywhere. They used to honor all. So we should not have false ego. My request to honor according to their qualifications. Kanishta, Madhyam, Tam, like this. And you try to honor all. Even they are not in our Parivar. But chanting Krishna, oh, doing pranam to Mahaprabhu, oh, we will honor them. If they are chanting one name in their life, even we will do pranam. But there is some consideration that he should not be Mayavadi. If Mayavadi are chanting even nothing. And if any Istri Shangi
associating with women,
or so much having lust again and again doing, we try to be from Istri Shangi Eka Sadhu
Krishna Bhakta.
Krishna Bhakta. You should try, always remember. Otherwise Mahaprabhu cannot forgive us. We should try to follow. Then we are all in one family. Or respecting anyone who is chanting, remembering. According to their qualities. Not like same. Not like same. You should know their degrees of. If anyone chanting one name, oh, he is okay. He is Vaishnava. And if continuously, then more superior. And to see them, if Krishnam coming automatically, seeing by that Vaishnava, then what? Oh, Uttamadhikari. So, according to this level, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Kulin Grambwasi, we should try to respect each other. I think that we should try to bring the same days when Bhakti Swami, Vedanta Swami Maharaj, your Prabhupada, my Shiksha Guru, was at present. Everywhere so much inspiration should come. as I am seeing here, so much inspiration. So I want this. I praise Swamiji, my Shiksha Guru. He should sprinkle his mercy to all, that we can be in one group, honoring each other, and thus we should try to develop our Krishna consciousness. Only aim and object, how to serve Krishna, internally and externally. Only this is goal. And after that, we should have some relation to Krishna, eternally relation. And with that relation, we should chant, remember, doing Shravan, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaran. Then quickly, all desires of worldly sense gratifications will go away. Surely it will go. They are bound to go. But if you are not associating with high class of Vaishnava, they will come more and more. And you will go far away from this life. You can be in householder family, no harm. But you should try to give your more energy, your more time to serve Krishna. You can make money, no harm. You can do your businesses. You can do anything to maintain your life. But keep some time that you can associate with high class of Vaishnava. And if it is not done, then you cannot advance. I am saying, and you are also realizing this. You will be weak, and thus worldly requirements will come. So try to be. Swamiji never wanted, he never wished that my all devotees should give up on chanting and remembering, and they should make money. Never he wanted. So I request you to be in high class of association, and gradually you should be very strong in Krishna consciousness. You should return back to home, back to home, and back to Godhead. Yes. This was the policy of Swamiji. This is the policy of all our Acharya, and also mine. I want to follow their footsteps. So my request is this.